Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at something big, especially if you're a building contractor or a home builder.
Mm.
The entire foundation of your digital marketing is shifting.
It really is. Like tectonic plates. We're here to figure out how AI is completely redefining how clients find and, choose their construction partners.
Right. And our mission today is really to bridge that gap, the gap between doing great work and actually being discovered in this new AI-driven world.
Exactly. Because we're seeing this explosion of AI search. Things like AI SEO and LLM SEO are forcing builders to totally rethink visibility.
And we're not just talking about the old Google search results page anymore.
No, not at all.
We're talking about platforms that are built to answer questions, not just list websites. Visibility is suddenly crucial in places like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Grok.
Perplexity, Google's AI overviews.
The list goes on. And if your business isn't optimized for these machines, you're basically invisible to a modern client.
That's the core of it. Think about it. Clients aren't making those initial phone calls to ask screening questions anymore.
So all that initial filter
Is now outsourced to AI. The heavy lifting, the trust verification, all of it. The machine is creating the shortlist. And if your portfolio, your reputation, your credibility, if it isn't easy for the AI to understand, you don't even make it to the first phone call.
Okay, so let's unpack this new digital blueprint. To win that early phase, you've pinpointed three really critical concepts. Can you walk us through them? Let's start with AI SEO.
Absolutely. Think of it like this. You need to get your house in order for its new owner, which in this case is the machine. So AI SEO is first. It uses machine learning and natural language processing to make sure your content is found and categorized correctly by these new AIs.
So it's about being understood by the algorithm.
It's about being understood, yes.
Okay, so if that's AI SEO, how is LLM SEO different? That's large language model SEO, right?
Right. LLM SEO is the next logical step. It's optimizing your content so the AI can summarize it accurately in a conversational answer.
So like if a potential client asks their AI,
Who are the top design build contractors near me who specialize in energy-efficient homes?
LLM SEO is what makes sure the AI pulls your name, not your competitors.
Exactly, because your content is perfectly structured to answer that very specific question.
And the third one you mentioned was semantic SEO. This is where we get into some jargon that can scare people off, like schema markup and EEAT.
Right, but they're not that scary when you break them down.
So what do they mean for a builder in practical terms?
Semantic SEO is just about context.
Yeah.
If your website is a house, then schema markup is like the blueprint for your data. It explicitly tells the AI, this is a project, this is a client review, this is one of our services.
I see. It removes any guesswork for the machine.
It does. And that strengthens your ranking for those really high-intent searches, like design, build, construction companies.
And the acronym EEAT.
That's just expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. For a builder, it's just proof. Proof you're licensed, insured, reputable. The AI is designed to trust authoritative sources, and this is how you build those signals.
This is where it gets really interesting for me, the execution. How do you take these big ideas and turn them into a Monday morning to-do list for a contractor?
It's a few things at once. On the technical side, you absolutely need an AI-ready website architecture.
And that's more than just a fast loading site.
Oh, much more. It means every page is structured to feed information to these AI models. You need specific schema for projects and services, detailing everything, materials, square footage, even project cost. It's the kind of data the AI loves.
Okay, so we know local SEO is key. But what's different on the content side now? We can't just keep writing generic blog posts, can we?
Generic blogs are dead. Content has to shift toward project-focused case studies. Every single job you finish should become a detailed portfolio piece. It demonstrates your expertise.
Using that trust-driven messaging you mentioned.
Yes, which in turn helps improve local discovery on map listings and for location-based keywords. And finally, reputation is everything. You have to have a proactive strategy for getting reviews to build that overall digital trust score.
Wow. The shift it's total. It sounds like success now really depends on aligning all three, AI SEO, LLM SEO, and semantic relevance, just to win trust before you even speak to a client.
That's the goal. You want the AI to become your advocate.
So what's the final takeaway here?
Well, here's a thought for you to chew on. If we've always used search engines for searching, what does it mean for a local business when these new platforms are designed for answering? You have to wonder, in a few years, will the AI know you're the best builder on the block before your own neighbors do?